So my name is Jackie Sage. I live here at Mason's Harbor Yacht Club. And one of my favorite things I love about our community is the community-based. We have a great neighborhood, so we are definitely a neighborhood that if you go out of town, you can call your neighbor and say, can you watch my house? Can you pick up our packages? Can you bring in my garbage cans? We really have that family-oriented based community.
My name is Mike Wilson. Some of the things I like about living here, I like it when you come into the entrance, you got kind of a rolling meadow with some big live oak trees. You got a lot of nature. The place is clean, it's neat looking, it has a coastal feel to it. Just a lot of things to like. And then you got the clubhouse with a pool, a marina with deep water on the intercoastal waterway, pristine water for 30 miles because we don't have any rivers flowing in for 20 miles to the south and 30 miles to the north, so it's really nice, clean, blue water. Neighborhood's nice. You got a big diversity of types of neighbors. You got young neighbors who are just starting families, and then you got people like me that happen to have grandchildren. So it's really a neat place.
Hi, I'm Susan Darby. I've been living here at Mason Harbor Yacht Club for almost 3 years. In fact, I was the first one to move in, and I've been so happy to see how the community has evolved, and I just love it here. And the main reason why I love this community is because of the boating. For me, I came down here to be on the water and enjoy everything that this area of Wilmington has to offer, and I feel like it's the perfect combination of the beauty of the nature and the sense of community and the wonderful collection of people where we can gather together at the clubhouse and enjoy some camaraderie as well as just share our love for boating.